Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're using Character.AI on an iPhone and you get an error, I'm going to be showing you how to fix it. So basically you can see I have Character.AI up and running perfectly fine on my cell phone device. So what I basically want to portray in this video is that basically if it is not working, sometime it could be happening that the servers are down because there could be a lot of load on the server. So you can simply wait and let it fix itself up. Or what you can do is simply head over to your Wi-Fi settings and check if your Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine. And also going to be making sure that you use your account after creating a new fresh account that is basically your personal one, since it is going to be storing everything up. So clear cache of your sites and yeah, go through everything. Now once you do all of these steps, you should be having no problem of any type of errors that AI chats are not working. Let me show you that everything is working fine. If I simply head over to any of these chats, you can see if I click on Jungkook or JK, you can see it is now loading up. And that's how it worked. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.